Hey developers! Welcome back to Windows API Tricks for WinForms. Today, we're going to detect multiple monitors in Windows. We'll find out how many screens are connected, their resolutions, and positions, so your app can dynamically adapt to any setup. Perfect for multi-monitor apps, dashboards, or presentation tools. First, we create a helper class with the main stuff. So sit down and relax. Ever wondered how to get information about all the monitors connected to your system, not just the main one? Let's break down this clever little class, the MultiMonitorHelper. Inside, we have a small data container called monitor.info. It stores three things for every screen you've got. The bounds, which are just the position and size of the monitor. A flag telling us if it's the primary screen. And the name of the device, like \display1 or \display2. Then comes the magic part, the getMonitors method. Here, we call Screen.AllScreens a built-in net property that gives us every connected display. We loop through each one, create a monitor info for it, and store all the juicy details, width, height, and whether it's the main screen. The result? A neat list of all your monitors, ready to use for anything, like positioning windows, creating custom wallpapers, or capturing screenshots from multiple displays. So yeah, this little class turns your monitor setup into easy-to-use data, perfect for advanced WinForms tools or multi-display apps. Alright, now let's put our multi-monitor helper to work, with a simple, hands-on WinForms demo. We start with a form called main form. At the top, there's a button that says Detect Monitors. And below it, a multi-line text box that will show all the monitor info once we click that button. When the button is clicked, we call our helper method, MultiMonitorHelper. Get monitors, which gives us a list of all connected screens. Then, we loop through each monitor and build a detailed summary. Its name, like Display 1 or Display 2. Its resolution, using width and height. Whether it's the primary screen. And even its position in the virtual desktop space. Finally, everything gets displayed nicely in the text box, with clear formatting and separators. This tiny app gives you an instant overview of your monitor setup, perfect for testing multi-display layouts, screen capture tools, or just to geek out over your workstation setup. So there you go, clean, compact, and surprisingly useful. Click one button and see every monitor come to life in C#. And there you go. Your app now knows how many monitors are connected, their resolutions, and exact positions. We're using the built-in Screen.AllScreens API, which is super reliable and works with any multi-monitor setup. You can use this to launch Windows on a specific screen, adjust layouts dynamically, or even create multi-monitor dashboards and tools. If you found this trick useful, hit like and subscribe.